How to subtract multiple cells in Excel. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, click on the cell you want to add your answer in, then type is equals to. After that, add your numbers. Suppose I'll add C2, which is 1, and minus 8, which is D2. Simply click on enter and your answer will arrive. If you want to subtract all the rows, simply drag it down and automatically answer will appear. You can do same with other cells and other sum as well. And that's how to subtract multiple cells in Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.